All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. Got a look at the week ahead. And Robbie, you were saying we've got a little reprieve going on as far as the humidity, then right back into July, I guess, so later on.
Yeah, unfortunately. But you know what? We're almost halfway through astronomical summer. So sooner or later, it'll start to cool down as we get into fall. I saw a tweet earlier today from Chief Meteorologist Darby Bybee at a convenience store where they already had pumpkin-shaped treats out. Yeah, a little early for that, folks. But yeah, we do have some nice weather this weekend and some nice weather on the way. Now, here's a look at the latest drought monitor, and there is good news. All the recent rain that we've gotten, we've really scaled back the drought conditions in northwest Arkansas. Only Carroll County and a small piece of Benton County is considered in an actual drought, a moderate drought. The abnormally dry doesn't mean anything. It just means that you're just abnormally dry, but not technically in a drought. However, as we look into the future about rainfall that could fall over the next 7 days, well, the Weather Prediction Center is saying not much here. As we look out over the rest of the country, you can see where those drought conditions are. But as I said, Weather Prediction Center, unfortunately, is saying, yeah, no rainfall for us over the next 5 to 7 days. Nothing, unfortunately. So when the next drought update comes out, that could be a different story, unfortunately. Now, there's a live look at I-49 near the Bella Vista bypass. Temperatures in Bentonville right now, 82 degrees. Notice that northwest wind at 6 miles an hour. That's why that dew point is so low. At drier air from the north. Mid-80s in northwest Arkansas. There's a look at Fort Smith where things are very, very quiet. Just some high cumulus clouds. 89, that is 5 degrees below average. And they even have a nice dry dew point of 61 degrees. Here's a look at temperatures in the River Valley. Just one or two locations there at 90 degrees, so a below average day for everyone. And you can see that dry air intrusion. You've got to get all the way down to the Red River into the Arklatex area to return to that real soupy tropical air mass. So it'll stay that way for the next couple of days. We are watching a couple of showers way up across Kansas. These are going to try to make a run at northwest Arkansas late tonight. Most likely won't get here till probably closer to dawn. I think that's even overdone. Maybe just a couple of sprinkles tomorrow morning. Non-impactful rain, non-measurable rain. Unfortunately, won't be heavy enough to really measure anything. The rest of Sunday looks great with just some high clouds. Temperatures warming back up into the 90s on average for just about everybody. And then Monday morning looks also nice and quiet. There's our rain chances. Very, very low tonight. North of Highway 412 well after midnight. Most of you, if it does rain, probably won't even realize that it did. Mid-60s tonight, and then a little bit warmer tomorrow, back into the 90s for our high temperatures. And then it just keeps warming up. And we start to get into that blowtorch weather again with hot and windy conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in northwest Arkansas with temperatures well into the 90s. Maybe a couple of morning showers next Saturday. And then in the River Valley, about the same thing, Paul. A hot week is on the way, flirting with 100 degrees. But as you see there, no chances for precipitation till next weekend.